Hi family. Utah was one of the most beautiful states I visited on my cross country. Unfortunately, some of my content was stolen during my trip, but I'm grateful a clip sent to my kids was saved. It's the only footage I have from Utah. Enjoy.
You gotta take it easy around these curves, because if you go up that cliff, you might as well just say goodbye, sayonara, not hasta luego. Don't even say that, because you ain't coming back later.